I should put this. What we're going to do is 1 lap run, 2 laps on the bike, and then 1 lap run. It's 1.5 miles even, almost exactly, right to the tree right here where the starting line is. And I tried to put some orange paint when you come around on the downhill and you make a... Everyone ready? Mark, set.
The 25th anniversary and final Prairie Rose State Game featured a brand new event, the Off-Road Duathlon, on the slopes of Huff Hills Ski Area. The race was run on a 1.5-mile challenging course that gained and lost over 300 vertical feet each lap. Racers were treated to a punishing course and also got to take some beautiful views from the top of the race course as well. Huff Hills Ski Area will start the summer mountain biking season in late August with some new trails to sample. For the latest, check out huffhills.com or find us on Facebook and Twitter. And thanks again to the Prairie Rose State Games for 25 years of fun in legendary North Dakota.
Good job, keep going.
We in the parking lot, baby. Now your local store. Get around. State
Go, girl, almost to the bottom.
They recognize the face.
Almost to the bottom.
Voice and the choice that they made is a good thing. People bobbing on something that you bring. I love to see the reaction, the action that the people make. They ain't scared to shake or make noise. They came to enjoy. So this is going out to all my girls and my boys who came to support. Sing along just for sports. Signing CDs they bought. The energy that they brought. Could have brought the house down because it was loving the sound.
Good
More
job.
lights, whip a snap, I want your axe around. Percussion, heavy, horns, ready to blow. So come on, yo, let's start the show. I want to, that's what we do when we come through. Rockin' for you, everywhere we go.
Good luck, have fun.
Everywhere we go. Da, 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 da. Everywhere we go. Da, 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 da.
Last lap, you can do it. Yeah. All right. Woo!
Our passion's
Nice
massive.
work.
It's drastic, fantastic. We're practicing to master introspective disaster.